This is a brand new 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. Whether hauling, commuting, or towing, this truck is the right one for you. It has a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include adjustable driver pedals, dual power seats, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a premium audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a locking rear differential, aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and an anti-theft protection system. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.